bracelet is also a cock ring. I'm having some fun. I'm rapping here. We'll take it to number 1. And also free. I'm not taking the piss. I am on a diet, but I do like some Crisco. Oh, let's have some fun. Give me this phone. You don't think I'm making up. You showed me here. Here is a phone. These ones are easy. I tell you, me and you are going home. We'll go home. Have a little fun. I'm not going to smack this thing. I really like your hat. Again, on the end of the cock ring, that one was massive. Here's his cock ring. I'm not going to say another thing on it too. And also, what is this here? So it is. Oh, wow. Look at that. Yeah. What is old towel? This here, I think it's a sanitary towel. Oh, I'm wiping my hands. I'm going to do that too. We're going to do a little dance. Darren here, put it down. You're my favourite fella. Here, picture it. These boys are fella. And look at this girl. Look at her there. She's got a little picture of a tiny little bear. Davey, yeah. This guy's not right. Look at it. He's actually brought his cat back. I tell you, I'm not fussing. Dave, please. Can I touch your pussy? All right. I don't have an issue. But why the hell have you brought wank tissues? Man, give me some love. Look at this here. He's got a 5-fingered glove. Oh. A natural positive book. Let me see. Give it a look. Wow. What it says here. Happy birthday, Darren and Adolf. What's going on there? Wow. That's fantastic. Is that your set from before? Let me see this shot. My arm is a hole. Wow. All right, we're back in the room. Let me see there. I need to do a zoom. All right. And you got there some deodorant there, making me smell like I don't have a care. And there's that there, a packet of Smiths. I tell you what there, I'm rapping and singing. Oh, here's the thing. Is that a quid? Yes. Here's the thing now. It's now my first pay gig. Yeah. All right then, Fridge. That's all I've got. My name's Andy Onions, and that's Charlotte.